Hello, welcome to HWM Aston Martin. My name is Grace and I have the pleasure of showing you around this 22 model year DBS Volante finished in divine red with paint that is a metallic finish. So allow me to just take you around some of the main options that are connected to this car. So let's start with the wheels. Here we have 21-inch forged twin-spoke gloss black wheels with carbon ceramic brakes and black calipers to match. So looking in the cabin of this DBS, we have ventilated front seats with 16-way adjustable seating, and we also have a triaxial quilting as a pattern on these seats. Fantastic option which is included in this particular DBS is the B&O sound system, which is surrounded by dark chrome jewellery pack, which again matches the interior of the car, and there are also rising tweeters which can be found on the dashboard. The final option that I would like to highlight to you today is the carbon trim inlay found inside the car, both on the doors and in the centre console. So if you'd like to learn more about this particular car that we have in stock here available at HWM, please contact our sales department via sales@hwm.co.uk. Alternatively, you can inquire on our website or call us on 01932 240 611. Please remember to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.